Hello everyone. So today we are back with another e-commerce case study, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost $200,000+ in terms of revenue at the ROAS of almost 10 for a laboratory products website. So now, in terms of the client background, this client is a leading manufacturer and distributor of high quality filtration and fluid management products for a variety of industries, including life sciences, biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, and more. The company's mission is to provide innovative solutions to help their clients enhance their research and production processes. So now, in terms of the challenges that we have faced, the client approached us with the goal of boosting their online sales and generating more inquiries through Google Ads. Despite having a strong organic presence, the client wanted to tap into the potential of paid ads to drive both B2C sales and secure significant B2B projects. The primary challenge was to create and manage Google Ads campaign from scratch to achieve substantial growth in revenue while maintaining a positive return over ad spend. Now, in terms of the strategies that we have used, we have formulated a comprehensive Google Ads strategy tailored to the unique needs and goals of clients. Our approach included the following key elements. For B2C category-specific campaign, we created individual Google Shopping campaigns for each of Fox Life Sciences product categories. This allowed us to tailor our strategies and optimize budget for each category independently. We have done the product feed optimization to ensure that the product listings were accurate and up to date. We meticulously optimized the product data feed. This involved detailing product descriptions, high quality images, and competitive pricing information. So now for B2B customers, we have done the landing pages. We have set up specific landing pages for B2B customers. Secondly, the keyword research. We conducted extensive keyword research to identify high value keywords that potential customers might use when searching for filtration and fluid management products. This really helped us to create a targeted keyword list to use in our campaign. The other thing is the campaign structure. We have organized the campaigns into distinct ad groups and campaigns, each focusing on specific product categories, target audiences, and geographic locations. This structure ensured that the ads were highly relevant to the search queries. The next is the ad creatives. We have developed compelling ad creatives that highlighted Fox Life Sciences product quality, competitive pricing, unique selling points. We also use the ad extensions to provide additional information and encourage users to take action. The next is the budget optimization. We have managed the budget allocation across campaigns to maximize ROI while maintaining a sustainable ad spend. The next is the continuous optimization. We have continually monitored and adjusted the campaign based on the performance data. This involved refining keywords lists, modifying bidding, and fine-tuning the ad copies to improve results. So now, in terms of the results, we have seen that there are some keywords that are doing much better than the others. Those keywords are bottle top filter, autofill bottle top filter, stainless steel tube suppliers, Glasgow laboratory equipments. Also, you can see below is the top performing ad copy for us. So after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and running the campaign for a few months, we have been able to get almost $200,000+ in terms of revenue at the ROAS of almost 10. Also, we have been able to see that we did get good number of leads for our B2B clients as well. So if you have any PPC campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you do not have any PPC campaigns running and want to test waters in the Google Ads, you can contact us with your website URL, your monthly budget and the location targeting. We should be able to do some research and then get back to you with the proposal on what exactly that you can do to bring some more business for your website online. Also, if you do not have any ads running, then being a Google certified partner, we can give you $500 free coupon code, which you will get after spending the same in the next 60 days when you set up the Google AdWords account. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.